We'll be talking about the PVC Socket Saver. Welcome to Bluefin Basics, a quick breakdown of dependable parts. The PVC Socket Saver not only saves you time when making repairs, but saves you costs in being able to reuse a socket fitting that is not compromised. So what exactly is the PVC Socket Saver? The PVC Socket Saver is going to be a very simple tool that will allow you to clear out an existing pipe from inside the socket of a fitting that you would like to reuse. This will save you time, not only when doing a repair, so that you do not have to disturb the rest of the system by having to replace out an entire fitting, but will save you money. A fitting such as this one here in front of me will easily go for well over $100. That is a cost savings to you and to your customer just by using this simple device. So how exactly does it work? The Socket Saver, once you've made a complete flush cut of the fitting, will actually just insert right on the end. Using a power drill, it'll then spin and start to chew away the pipe on the inside of it. Once you feel resistance on the inside of the fitting, then stop. One of the common mistakes made is to actually go through the bumper on the inside of the fitting, and what that does is allow for the pipe to insert deeper than it is intended to. Once the reaming is complete, go ahead and put your drill in reverse and pull out the Socket Saver. Now, all you simply do is put on your PVC primer, your PVC glue, and then reinsert the pipe into it. This is not only effective on larger pipes, but on smaller ones as well. Bluefin actually makes socket savers all the way from 1.5" through 4". The PVC Socket Saver, sold by Bluefin, is compatible not only with Schedule 40 PVC, but Schedule 40 DWV PVC as well, as they both have the same listed outer diameter. The only difference is the construction of the piping, whereas a Schedule 40 is a solid core and a DWV is a foam core. Again, utilizing this simple tool will allow for a quicker repair, allowing you to get back on the road and off to your next job. When you need Bluefin, we've got it. Always in stock, ships fast, and supported by a team you can trust. Exclusively sold at Supply House.